How you doing? Thanks for clicking play. Slightly controversial topic for this video. Everyone in manufacturing is talking about the skills shortage. And over the last few weeks, with various clients, I've heard things like, we can't find the right people. People don't want to work anymore. The younger generation doesn't have the right attitude. But I want to challenge that, and I certainly did in the training. Manufacturing doesn't just have a skills problem, it has a leadership problem. Told you it was slightly controversial. So because when good people join your business and don't get coached, when experienced operators are promoted into leadership roles without being developed, when supervisors are expected to manage conflict, performance, standards, safety, quality, and change without being taught how to lead people, this is not a skills shortage. This is a leadership gap. And that gap is costing manufacturers every single day. It shows up in communication, low ownership, high turnover, resistance to change, missed targets, frustrated managers, and talented people quietly giving up. The future of manufacturing will not be won by companies who simply hire better people. It will be won by companies who build better leaders, leaders who can coach, leaders who can challenge, leaders who can listen, leaders who can bring out the best in people on the factory floor. Because machines don't create culture, systems don't build trust, and processes don't inspire people. Leaders do. So this is why I created the Manufacturing Leadership Academy. Give me a call if you want to discuss it. It's not to deliver another training course, but to help manufacturing businesses develop the kind of leaders their people, their performance, and their future actually need. So before you say, we can't find the right people, ask a better question. Are we building the right leaders? Because the companies that answer that question honestly will be the ones that lead the future of manufacturing. Manufacturing doesn't just need more skills, it needs better leaders. So follow me for more videos on how to build stronger leadership, stronger teams, and stronger manufacturing videos. If you want to get in touch and have a chat, then please do. I'll see you soon. Cheers.